Wanna know how to add configurations or change your default profile in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. So once you've opened up your application, you should be provided with this home page right here. So make sure you have also installed it. So we have also created a video on how to install and use NetBeans. So make sure to watch it. Now once you open up your project, you should be welcomed with this screen right here. So once you're there, here you should be seeing this drop down button called default config. Just simply select it and you can change it to release profile as well. But if you want to customize it, just simply select customize. Once that is done, under configurations, your new window should open up. Now since you want to activate or add, just simply select add to add any configuration that you want. So just simply type in your configuration ID and then activate profiles and then select OK. Once you're done, just simply select OK and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.